Knight in shining armor and a 7 months pregnant woman from Marsabit County who sustained gunshot wounds is now receiving treatment after a pilot abandoned official government duty to rush her to hospital. Captain Stephanus Kruger, who had been flying Devolution Cabinet Secretary Eugene Wamalwa, and other officials airlifted the woman from a village which could not be accessed due to floods.
The middle-aged woman from Ebor village in Marsabit was shot twice on the leg, getting hit by stray bullets as home guards pursued a hyena that had attacked the village. She had bled the whole night, and an ambulance sent from Sololo Health Center could not access the village due to flooding. The villagers made a distress call to the pilot, who had accompanied CS Eugene Wamalwa and Marsabit Governor Mahmoud Ali in assessing the damage caused by floods. The team was dropped in a nearby village to create space for the woman who was in pain.
Sasa huyu daktari wetu hapa mwita alisaidia, alifanya juu chini ile anaweza. There was too much bleeding. Mwana ni mjamzito 7 months. Sasa tukashindwa, tukaitisha, tukaenda kwa mlima. Nitoke tu ni mbaya, tulipanda mlima pamoja na daktari wetu. Tulipiga simu kutafuta ambulance. Hiyo county wasema inaondoka. Baada ya 30 minutes tukarudia, tukauliza, tunasema imeingia matope, hata hiyo matope tujua inatoka wapi.
The villagers carried the woman to the helicopter, where the captain and a nursing officer, William Wario, put her on a drip.
Guys, give us some space here, please.
She was then airlifted to the waiting ambulance 40 kilometers away, which took her to hospital in Moyale.
There's no pikipikis can pass that way. There's no another means of transport. Ambulance is stuck in the mud. The whole night I was running up and down from the patient to the network, to the patient to the network. But actually no. Mungu akatusaidia tukafika asubuhi patient akiwa stable condition.
The woman is now in stable condition in hospital. Peter Mwangangi, NTV.